To use text-to-speech on Redmi 15, first of all go to the system settings. Next, you will have to scroll down, like all the way down, and go to the additional settings. And right now you will have to go for this one, accessibility. Next, what you have to do is just to go to the vision. Now you will have to go for select to speak, and now just click on this switcher. And right now you will get this icon, so you will have to just tap on it. Now you will have to click somewhere, something that you want to select. So for example, this one, click and hold, and now just drag and select everything that you want to read.
How do you select to speak?
There we go.
Start select to speak.
You can pause, you can play, and by clicking here, you can go back or go forward. And by clicking on the settings icon, you can also customize some things like read in the background, read text on images. You can also change reading voice, or you can change some text-to-speech settings like speech rate, pitch, or language, but also the preferred engine.